fastHSBcolor provides on-interface color sliders in After Effects, allowing quick layer color adjustments without manually opening the native color picker. 1. Workflow steps. Step 1. Select a layer in the timeline. Step 2. fastHSBcolor automatically collects editable color properties from the selected layer, and you can choose the target color from the color list. Step 3. Drag the color pointer in the HSB adjustment area to modify the layer color. 2. Supported color types. fastHSBcolor supports collecting and modifying colors on solid layers, text layers, shape layers, single or multiple shape elements, adjustment layers, and light layers. It supports layer fill colors, stroke colors, and colors in various effects. 3. Batch color modification. To unify multiple layer colors or multiple color properties on the same layer, simply select multiple layers in the timeline or multiple color options in the color list, then drag the HSB sliders. This allows batch color modification in a single operation. 4. Color Reference Ruler Tone Assistance. fastHSBcolor provides a visual reference ruler on the saturation and brightness sliders, similar to DaVinci Resolve. Vertical lines are drawn at 25%, 50%, and 75%, dividing saturation and brightness into 4 tone zones: low, mid-low, mid-high, and high. This helps you quickly assess the visual tone of the selected color. 5. Keyboard shortcuts. To reduce fatigue from prolonged mouse use, fastHSBcolor provides keyboard controls for color adjustment. Press 1, 2, 3 to activate hue, saturation, and brightness. Use the left-right arrow keys to fine-tune the current property by 1 unit. Hold Shift while using the arrow keys to adjust hue by 30 degrees, saturation by 25%, and brightness by 25 degrees for larger adjustments. 6. Nodes. The script also supports the HSL color model and provides a hidden color list. fastHSBcolor is still under active development, but it is designed to help you significantly reduce the time and effort spent on color adjustments, enabling freer and more efficient color control in After Effects.